shit! It's a monsoon. Like, look how wet I am. Funny, yeah. Are we sending it? We are sending it a little bit. Sunday morning, it's raining outside. The temperature is pretty warm. And I'm just like, okay, let's go snowboarding. You know, Liberty is 59 minutes away, and for that $80 day lift ticket, I just had to do it. There's one thing though we have to do before we go. It's not an epic, last minute, unplanned trip without Evan. He said he's not sure, but I'm on the way to his house. Bro, he's coming. Look at him, he's right here. He never lets you down. This guy is always 100%. All right, we're gonna put this board in and then get ready. You know, it was supposed to be small showers today, but it looks like it's a tropical monsoon outside. So we're gonna have to see how the snowboarding works and get our gear strapped on so that we're poncho ready for them. What do you think, Evan? I dragged you out of bed for this.
First time for everything, right?
Yeah, we're at Liberty. There's no lines. Let's see how this goes. We're now at the very top. So we went up the Alpine Quad all the way up to the top of the mountain, and then we went down the upper Heavenly, and now we're stuck at the very top. We went up lower east wind, I think, and now we are surrounded by double black diamonds, which in this fog is kind of sketchy, but we may hit them. And then we're gonna go down Sidewinder, which is down there in that fog. Whoa, guys, doing this in the rain? I don't know. Is it funny? Yeah. Are we sending it? It is insane. It's a monsoon. Like, look how wet I am. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but dripping. This is wild. Like, there's literally no visibility up here at all. Like, the visibility is like 10 feet, and we're in fog and it's raining. Evan's helmet came off, so you gotta tie the buckle, dude. You just gotta tie it, dude. Good old-fashioned way, like a monk. So wet. So a little bit of facts. This is the closest mountain to Washington, D.C. It's 59 miles away exactly from where I live in Northern Virginia. And it is also the smallest mountain, so it's got the shortest runs. The longest lift is this one that is, I don't know what its name is. I'm just gonna put the name up here for the longest lift. And you basically take a left and you go down there. Usually there's probably trails to the right up there, but we can't see them right now, and we're gonna go down towards the lobby. At around noon, we're gonna do a check to make sure that we're not completely drenched underneath our jackets. They're supposed to be waterproof, but it's really terrestrial rainfall right now. And we're not the only ones out here. This is actually kind of fun.
Terrestrial rainfall. Torrential.
Torrential rainfall, not terrestrial. Oh, shit. Now we're good. Woo. Send it, bro! You good? Yeah. Nice butters, dude. Nice butters. So me and Evan are just practicing our butters. You know, trying to get better at snowboarding. We're all in this together, guys. We're all learning together. This is just fun to do, but you need to bring waterproof gear. I thought my gear was waterproof, and hell no, it's not waterproof. Evan, here, I'm gonna take the camera away from him. Look at him. He looks like he literally just went diving in his outfit. Oh my God. Anyway, shout out and tune in for more on Drive in Time.